Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renata, and in today's video I will be sharing with you my very first Friday sews. I am pretty excited and a little bit nervous because I just don't know if I can continue along this path. I have so much stuff going on, and really having a dedicated day to post a video might be too much for me, but then again it might just be the challenge that I need to stay on task. So in this video I'm going to just give you a little idea of what I did this past week and what I'll be doing in the coming week. Okay, so last week I was supposed to pretty much dive into my patent testing project, which is a coat. I have since only did the muslin portion of it. The previous week, not last week, but the week before, we had a snowstorm here in Texas and we lost power. We lost power for, I would say, about 4 days on and off. We had power for like half an hour to 40 minutes at most, and then we lost water for 3 days, so we had no water. So basically we did a little a back to basics where we filled our tubs with snow and hopefully we used that for the restroom, and then we tried to get water at various stores like the grocery and Sam's Club, and water was just like gone. So luckily for us, we had a pool nearby, but we did not tap into that. Our Specs, which is our liquor store that you can go to, they had a lot of water. People totally forgot about them, so we got some water that way. And then our Parks and Rec provided us with the option to come over and gather water with whatever you had to fill, but that didn't happen until 2 days after we were lost for water. Aside from that, that's what pretty much held up my project for this code patent testing. And luckily for me, the designer was very gracious and understanding, so she's extended my time. I'm pretty excited to work on it. It's been like forever since I've worked on a coat. I made this beautiful coat here. Well, actually it's not really a coat. This is a jacket from British Style a few years ago, and I was really happy and I enjoyed that process. It's a little time consuming. However, her instructions for this coat that I'm working on is very beautiful. It's a really nice long coat. It's got tabs. It's got a nice tie. It's really going to be beautiful, and I'm hopeful that I can get it done in time to share with all the other patent testers on Instagram. The other thing that I'm looking forward to next week is my next patent test, which is a blouse/dress pattern, and it is very comfortable. It looks really relaxed and amazing for the spring summer season that is coming up. Well, what else can I say? Those are pretty much the two things that I am sure going to be working on, and hopefully I will have them ready to share. But aside from patent testing, I've completed 3 out of 4 of my projects for the month of February. If you guys remember this video here, I talked a lot about sewing lingerie and more lingerie and just being nervous about that. I completed the robe, the cami, and the shorts. The night dress I did not complete. I didn't have enough fabric and I did not like the texture and material of the red fabric. I'm just going to show you guys the robe here real quick, but hopefully I can get a 360 for my makes video. But I do like the, let's see if I can get, I really like how this turned out. It turned out really good. The gold matched it really, really nicely. And the other thing that I completed this month, and I can't wait to share because I did a really great video of this and I posted it on Instagram. This is my Black History Month pattern designer challenge dress. This is the Style Sew Me Giselle. I really love this dress. I love how my project turned out. It was just beautiful and I can't wait to share that with you guys. Hopefully I'll have my makes video up on Sunday. I have not recorded these pieces to share yet, but that's something that I'm looking into during this weekend. So if that video does not go up on Sunday, it's probably going to go up midweek next week. The only other thing is I'm showing a lot of stuff here. That's the only other thing, right? Oops. Yeah, not really what I meant to show. So here is that little, I'm going to give you guys a little quick look at it. It turned out pretty cute and really nice. And I'll give you guys my thoughts on working on this project. If you guys remember, these were from Berter Style magazine. And my plans for March is more on the blouse theme. I'm going to make more blouses this month. I realize that I have a ton of dresses, but sometimes I would like to have a top to put on, and I don't. I really wear a lot more of t-shirts that I got from races that I've run, and who wants to wear those all the time? And aside from that, I have like sweaters, and that's just not the look that I'm going for. But sometimes I want to feel still very fashionable but not too out of place because I'm wearing all these beautiful amazing dresses. I just want my everyday tops to be a little elevated, so I'm going to be working on those as well during this month. Hold on, let me grab some fabric and I'm just going to give you a little idea of some of the fabric that I might be working with this month. Okay, I'm back. I have to really hurry with this because we are going to have dinner in the next hour, so I gotta get this video completed, and I also would like to come back. I'll probably be in the same dress when I share my makes video because when I come back I'm going to record that as well tonight, so hopefully I can get it up on Sunday. I like this fabric and hopefully I can make a really pretty top with it. That's kind of my plan. I want to make something really pretty, something that's beautiful and that I can wear often. I know it's a big bold print, but I think, you know, given the right day and things that I have to do, it would look really good with a very pretty wide leg pants depending on the blouse that I choose, and also a jeans. It will look really good in a jeans. So I'm thinking about something like the Nina Lee Bakerloo blouse, even though I feel like that neckline is just what do I want to say? I like it a lot, the Bakerloo, but I don't know if it suits me. I'm really looking forward to making it. It's just that it's the collar is just really big, and it's not that I don't like it. I really do like it, but I'm not sure how everyday-ish it would be in a fabric like this. So we'll see. I kind of had thought I would probably make it in this fabric, the Bakerloo. It's a really nice kind of cotton lawn fabric. It's beautiful. It's from Minerva, and I think that would look really pretty. And I do like the collar. I just have never worn something like that. God, I keep showing the whole world everything. Sorry, people. But yeah, when I do my other video, the makes video, this will all be tacked in and we'll all be safe. I think that's it. I think that's it. I am going to end the video right here, right now, before I show something that just isn't supposed to be on the camera. There you have it, guys. A little bit of my plans. This video was totally random, like I had no organization going on, so I am talking straight out of my mouth with just my free flow, totally freestyle it. But but the next video to follow would be a little more tamed. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you on my next video. Also, hopefully I could stay on task with these Friday sews. We'll see. I have a lot going on. I have full-time work, full-time 3 kids being homeschooled. I also have my gym membership that I definitely like to use because we pay for it. So I have my kickboxing and I have jiu-jitsu that I'm going to start back next week, and then I run and I have a dog. So I think there's a lot going on there, but I'll try my best to stay on task and probably do these a little more. But that is it. I'm gone. Okay, bye. For the challenge, and the third item that was sewn is my yes, I did, but you don't answer your phone like I do.
Yeah, but like I thought you were gonna say,
oh yeah, no, it's all right. This is my impromptu video, and here is Isabella.
Hello.
Yeah, so I don't know, we need to get this updated. So this is my impromptu video for Friday sews, and it's kind of, for me, informal. So I'm not going to do a lot of editing. So hopefully it's within the time frame of 15 minutes and nothing long, because you know I like to talk and ramble, right? What did you do today?
nothing. Bye.
You didn't drive? You didn't drive today?
I drove a car.
For the very first time. How do you feel about it?
Good.
Was your dad a good instructor?
I guess. Oh my gosh. You're not putting that in the video, are you?
Probably.